The Grumbler, though, we are going to talk about the Grumbler. Now, my stomach isn't grumbling right now, but we're going to talk about what the Grumbler got going on. But this is M.G. Knecht, and he is amazing, awesome, really, really cool. But he's going to tell you a little bit about what he has going on, and then he's going to give you a brief synopsis of what you can expect to see in the Grumbler.
I'm going to tell you what's going on. Oh my gosh, the excitement in this place. I don't know how you can hear me. Everybody's talking, everybody's mingling. And let's see, my movie, The Grumbler, is, I like to call it a mashup of The Wizard of Oz and Barfly, the 1987 movie with Mickey Rourke, Faye Dunaway.
You got me at The Wizard of Oz.
Oh, yeah.
You just, and y'all can't see. You got a close up on these blue eyes. These blue eyes are just dreamy. I mean, it's crazy right now. But anyway, we are connecting.
Yeah.
Okay, so
let's reconnect.
Okay, reconnect. So, when did this journey in creative writing start for you?
Oh my gosh. I can show you the back of my shirt. I take classes with Circa 87 with Dan Stedman.
Oh,
and,
okay.
I can't say enough good things about Dan Stedman.
Wow.
He has a class. I think he's been in the area for about a decade. But yeah, if you look up Dan Stedman, he's the man. And I took one of his writing classes once. And once you see something you wrote, people act it out, it's magical. You know?
Wow, MG, now he just said something that's key. Guys, you know it's consulting time with Lily Mae. And MG just dropped some jewels for you. Classes. If you really want to be effective and really be efficient in what you're doing, you have to take classes. You have to take classes. And I think that where we are in 2023, everybody's doing everything. But in order to truly perfect, you have to go to the source. So, MG, what else is forthcoming?
What else is forthcoming? Well, right now, Dan Stedman's movie $1 Million Razzle Dazzle.
Oh my goodness!
It's streaming on Amazon Prime. Rent it now. Leave a review.
Okay.
Leave a comment. And let's see. I got a small part in that. I play a 1980s waiter. Fun part. Fun movie.
Okay.
So that's what's going on now. And the M.O.A.M. Oh my gosh. I live in Collinsville. This is my hometown.
Amazing.
And, it's magical for me.
It has been, ever since we got here, it has been amazing. We went to this barbecue restaurant and they just embraced us. It was bandanas.
Oh, yes.
It was
in
so
Collinsville.
good. We were so excited. So, guys, shout out to St. Louis, shout out to Collinsville, and shout out to M.G. Knecht, baby. He is going all the way up, and we're bringing him to Atlanta because he is stupendous.
Ready to come down.